That was sweet. Proud of those guys. Oh. I just got wrecked. What's up, boys?
Hey.
You guys ready to have fun?
Yeah.
All right.
Have fun, be safe.
We probably are gonna die, so take that. All right, here we go down the river. River goes right through the ranch. Takes about 2 hours to get there. Nice sunny day today. Should be a good time. We got 3 yahoos with us. We've got Roman, Boston, you know them, and then Samson, another ranch kid, getting up to some rapids. You're gonna get wet, trust me.
I already got wet.
Yeah.
That's Roman. Is that like a little waterfall?
What's up, boss?
That was not it.
3 little weirdos back there. They're gonna get dunked today.
No, we're not.
Gonna get tipped
Floating on the river.
like the Titanic, going down. Follow me.
Right here.
All right, so we're gonna go off to here to the right. Paddle over this way. Nice. Where's the boss man? There he is. So pull your boat up there.
Sorry, can I get out right now?
Yep, and then you're gonna follow Roman over there. And we're gonna go get on this spot behind us and jump off. Grab his hand. Cool, cool. Okay, Roman, show him where to send it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there's a water snake.
Oh, nice, look, a water snake. See that? About jumped on him. They're swimming, pretty cool. Okay, Roman, don't land on that log right there.
That's what I just said.
Okay, send it. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Is it cold?
Yeah.
3, send it.
Bam.
All right, Samson, send it. All right, through the bushes, up on top. Heads up. Gotta go on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Backflip into the river. Here we go. Maybe we should go from this side. 1, 2, 3. It's cold.
Yeah, I got glasses.
Guess what? I'm peeing. The water's warm.
Oh boy.
He's gotta hit the bottom.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go!
Oh. Did you hit the bottom?
Oh man.
That, yep.
I'll wait for you guys. All right. Current's taking me away.
Dan, do not try and turn when you're going down. Do not try and turn too fast.
You guys called?
Oh, I didn't know.
What are you doing here? What? I told you this is going to be Titanic. You're the first one to go.
I'm not.
Just better catch up to these boys. Guess we can go explore and see if there's anything cool over here.
There's frogs in here.
There might be frogs. This water's pretty cold though.
Oh yeah.
Okay. How do you guys want to do this? You just want to go one right after the next?
Yeah, I want to be first.
Okay, Roman's first, then Samson, and then Boss?
Yep.
Okay. I'll follow right after you guys. So just keep your boats pointed straight down.
Do I go right now?
Yep.
Just keep paddling.
Yep, just keep paddling. Sit up straight. And if you guys fall off, just kick your feet up. We'll pick up your stuff, okay? All right, here we go over the waterfall. It's more of a big rapid, but there goes Roman. Let's see how he does. There goes Samson. It's okay. It's okay. Paddle fast right into that water. There goes Boss. Oh man, I'm not taking this very good. There we go. Ooh, yeah. Looks like everybody made it through unscathed. I think these kids need to be sunk. We'll do a sneak attack. Sneak attack. The Titanic has sunk again.
You did last time.
There's a spot up here where there's a diversion dam. I don't know if we're gonna be able to go over it or not. You wanna go down?
If Roman does, I'll go.
You wanna go down? What are you gonna do? All right. Okay, I'll lead the boys. We're gonna go down it. We'll try it. Okay, we're gonna try to go over this. Roman and Boss. Any last words, boys?
Prepare to get wrecked.
Prepare to get wrecked. We're gonna make it. We're gonna go through. You guys stay where the bubbles are going, okay? You follow me. I'll lead the way.
Don't lose the GoPro.
I won't lose the GoPro. So remember, when it goes down, you guys lean back. Okay? You guys coming? So follow the bubbles. And then paddle. Paddle. Oh yeah. Made it. There goes Boss. He flipped. Let's see Roman. Oh, he flipped too. Just hop on it. Hop on. Nice. You guys both got wrecked. You guys did good. I know, the current's strong, huh? Current's strong, huh? Okay. That was sweet. Proud of those guys. Oh. I just got wrecked. Oh. Well, that was fun, getting wrecked. We're almost through. Nice adventure.
I'm gonna tip you now.
Whatever, I already tipped, bro. I already tipped him, remember? Splash bite! Splash bite! Splash bite! Should we call a foul for targeting? Splash bite! Hey, hold on. I think there's a fish right there!
I like you!
Sayonara, suckers! Hey, boss. You having fun?
Yeah.
What do you have to say?
Don't go down scary waterfalls by yourself because you'll lose your boat.
Don't go down scary waterfalls by yourself because you will lose your boat. What do you have to say?
Rapids are fun.
Rapids are fun. So good to get your kids outside and to play. Okay, we're just about to the end. The boys are way up there. They left me in the dust, but thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed some of this content we made. Make sure you subscribe, leave us a like. We'll try to bring some more interesting stuff. So hope to see you next time. Thanks, guys. So let's see, Samson was the only one that didn't get wrecked. Dang. Okay, pull your guys' kayaks out. Pull them up to the road. Okay, I'll call Mom to come get us. Yeah, if you want to go play in the river, that's fine.